Glassmorphism is one of the trendiest web design styles, but did you know you can even give your card a glass border effect? Today, I'll show you exactly how step by step. We'll start with a simple card inside our page. I'm adding a background image so the glass effect is visible, and also I covered the whole page, and without it the blue won't look impressive. First, I'll set the background of the text to red so it stands out more. Next, I'll center it on the page. That way, even I increase the width of the card, the text won't move left or right. It will stay exactly in the middle. Now let's add a border and use border radius to round the corners. Then, with just a couple of extra CSS lines, we can give the card a shiny glass-like border effect. Now I'll use backdrop filter to blur the background, and with box shadow instead I'll add a soft inner shadow, giving our shape a subtle depth effect. Next, I'll set the border to transparent. As you can see, the border now takes on that nice blurry glassy look. Finally, instead of the plain red background we added at the start, I'll switch it to the darker color overlay. This adds a soft dark filter over the card, but the glassy blur effect still remains. Now I want to add an animated effect to the text you see here. It's the same trick I showed earlier on my channel. First, I'll fix it in the center and apply a gradient color. Then I'll clip that gradient to the text only, while making the text color itself transparent. That way the gradient shows up on the letters, not on the background. So that's how you can create glass borders with CSS. A simple frosted glass style or a more modern gradient border. Both look amazing in modern UI design. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more CSS tricks, and check out my playlist for more front-end tutorials.